Welcome! If you've ever wanted to bring Roblox fans together, share your favorite games, or just connect with new friends, creating a community in the Roblox app is the perfect way to do it. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to create your very own Roblox community right from your phone. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account, and that you have the latest version of the app installed for the best experience. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a row of icons. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right. This is the More menu, where you'll find extra options and features that aren't on the main screen. Next, scroll down until you see the Communities option. Tap on it. This is where all the magic happens. Here you can browse communities you're already part of, join new ones, or, what we're here for, create your own. To start your community, tap on Create Community. Roblox will guide you through a few easy prompts. You'll need to choose a name for your community, so pick something catchy that represents your group's vibe or purpose. You can also add a description to let people know what your community is all about, and even upload an image or logo to make it stand out. After you've filled in the details, review everything to make sure it looks just right. When you're ready, tap Create to launch your community into the Roblox universe. Now, your new community is live. You can invite friends, share updates, and start discussions right away. It's a great way to build connections, organize game nights, or just chat about your favorite Roblox experiences. And that's it. Creating a community in Roblox is that easy. Try it out today and start bringing people together around the games and topics you love. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy building.